こんばんは、皆さん。私はアミン・パーカーです。もう一度、電子レンジを使ってみようと思います。この電子レンジは、時々故障することがありますので、ご注意ください。それは randomly 起こります。So, I think I'll cook this meal here. I have 2 hamburgers here and 2 donuts. I'm going to warm this food up in the microwave. I hope the microwave won't give me any problems. I've decided against the hamburgers. I'll just take the donuts. Not really feeling too hungry. I hope this thing works. You see? Not working. Let me see something. All right. Have to slam it a couple of times, unfortunately. But let's see what happens. Give it a stop right there. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, it was all right. Okay, till next time.